to How to Handle Your Hardware, brought to you by Handle King. Today we're going to look at how to measure a door, which parts need measuring, and discuss top tips for how to measure each part. So all you're going to need is a measuring tape, and the dimensions that you need to consider are the height of the door, the width, the thickness, and also where you're going to place the door handle. So you need to open the door slightly, and then with the hook from the measuring tape, secure it to the top of the door. It's roughly 78 inches, and you're going to do the same thing to measure the width. So take out your measuring tape, secure it to the other side. Okay, so it's about 32. And now how to measure the thickness of the door, you're going to do the same thing again. Just like that. And here we can see that it is 35 millimeters, which is 1.4 inches. So the average height to fit a door handle is between 39 to 41 inches. So if I measure this door handle here, up to the spindle, I can see that it's about 41 inches, which is roughly 1040 millimeters. An important measurement that you need to consider when replacing your hardware is to measure the back set, so from the central spindle to the edge of the door. That is about 57 millimeters, and that will determine how far away the handle sits away from the edge of the door. So there you have it, how to measure a door and what height to fit your door handle, brought to you by Handle King. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe for more.